Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, May 6th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar yen. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord group. It's linked over here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on the home screen to learn more. So anyways, the US dollar yen is going down really strong. And if you listened to my video yesterday, you probably are looking for sorts like I was. I think there's a very good likelihood that there's an A right here. I think this is one, two, three waves down for wave B. This is definitely one, two, three, four, five up for wave C. Nice 50% Fibonacci bounce, nice breaker structure. I was been talking about this trade pretty much all last week. Very nice end of a correction right there. So what happens at the end of a correction? At the end of a correction, you get low, high, low, high, low, high because the market should start to trend. So I would definitely be looking for sorts. I mean, even on these sort of time frames, you're definitely getting lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. So I think more than likely we should be looking for sorts. Now, tomorrow is interest rate news for the US. So whatever happens over the next day or so should be setting itself up for interest rate news tomorrow. So just be aware that if it does drift down all day tomorrow, that today, then tomorrow potentially they could be a nice move up at the news. Maybe it'll just be like a spike reversal, like a bull trap. But as of right now, the US dollar yen definitely is looking very bearish, and I would be looking for shorts at the end of pullbacks. So, anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.